Hey guys, how you doing? Shane at Southeast Motorcycles here today. I have this very cool Suzuki SuperMoto DR-Z400SM. It's a 2019. We got a 400cc liquid cooled 4-stroke engine. This is a 5-speed transmission. Does have pretty cool sounding Two Brothers exhaust, Dunlop tires, the Sport Max. We just took this in on trade yesterday. It's pretty tall, but really a comfortable riding position. And so we got 1,020 miles on the odometer. Fire it up for you. Very cool enduro. Come check it out. If you have any questions, visit our website southeastharley.com, or feel free to give me a call here 440-439-5300. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'd appreciate it. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you real soon. Take care.